not so simple as like that. Well, I'm so young and you're... Well, young pa rin naman.
Purita, I cannot wait any longer. When I close my eyes, it's only you that I see.
Thank you very much, Howard.
You do not really love me. Is it because I'm too old to be your father?
You know, Howard, age doesn't matter. Anyhow.
Then marry me, Purita. I'll give you the stars, the moon, more pineapple and big pieces like that.
Patay kang bata ka. You know, Howard, it's like this, no? Once upon a time, there was a Cinderella.
If you do not marry me, I'll marry Esmeralda.
Oh, darling, life is not a papag process. Wait a minute. Who is that Esmeralda?
Oh, she's my other girlfriend.
You mean to say we are plenty inside your heart?
Oh, but that's all right. My heart is big enough to accommodate everybody.
Lang yan to? How dare you say that?
No, wait.
What are you thinking me for?
Wait, Purita.
I'm not a chick in a basket, huh?
Yes.
In the poultry pala.
Yes,
huh?
but...
Out you go!
No.
Out you go!
No, wait.
Out!
No,
Bring your
Purita! Purita, no!
Out! I don't want to see you
Purita,
again!
you have to understand, Purita! No, please!
Out!
No!
I said
Purita,
out!
Purita, no!
Okay,
Purita,
bring your fist!
No, this is you! Purita, you have to listen to
Duleng!
me! No, Purita, you have to listen to me!
Ay, naku, teka nga pala.
Purita,
Ano
you
yan?
have to...
Wala akong ulam!
Wait! Purita, listen to me!
Go back to Esmeralda!
No, but I have to explain to you. Oh, my golly, you, this lady, what's the matter with you? All right, if you do not like. Farewell, my love. Goodbye.
I hate you, Howard. I hate you. I hate you.
Mauna kami, Nicolas. Babalikan namin kayo.
Pinagmamalaki ko pa naman sa lahat ng babae ron na ang lahi natin magagaling. Genius, matatalino. Katapos, Plancha, ginawa niyong freezer? Nakakahiya.
Aber. Sige, magalungkat ka sa mga science books. Sinong scientist na naka-invento niyan? Plancha, naging freezer. Ako lang. Ginagawa ko na nga diploma niyan eh.
Oh, ano mukha kayo na ihaharap ko sa mga babae ron? Wala na.
Eh, di naman ang hiharap mo. Walang kabilib-bilib sa Teo.
Mamaw, eh, si Lobo Supultorero yan eh. Lobo, kaya rito, pumasok ka rito.
Tuloy.
Susungo kasi dyan eh.
Huli, huwag kang masasusulpot dyan. Alam mo naman si Materi, banda dyan.
Oh, ano kailangan mo?
Hindi ba bumibili kayo ng gintong ipin?
Ang gintong ipin? Oo, siyempre. Tingnan mo.
Diba? Tingin.
Wala riyan. Andi dito. Ay,
Ang dami naman yata niya. Dami ka. Oy, baka sa mo kinuha to, Lobo, ah.
anong palagay mo sa akin, magnanakaw?
Sumusagutin kita ng totoo. Oo, para bumulang, matatakot na kayo. Ito ba yung mga gintong ipin na sinasabi mo? Mga kamahinan pa, ayos to. Marami ito. Ito ba yung mataas ang kilatis dito?
Oo.
Pwede. Eh, magkano mo ibebenta?
Mura lang.
Parang hindi bumukha bibig pagka nagsasalita. Tignan niyo, ha? Magkano mo ibebenta ulit?
Sinabing mura lang.
Spa.
Magkano nga?
Sinabing mura lang eh. Oh, anong tinitingin ninyo?
Ay! Iwan niyo na ako!